Welcome back to RideReign, where power meets perfection. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Lexus LX 600 2025, the ultimate symbol of luxury, technology, and off-road dominance. Under the hood, the LX 600 roars with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine pushing out a massive 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this beast can conquer sand dunes, rocky terrain, or smooth highways with ease. Despite its power, Lexus has tuned the engine for better fuel efficiency and reduced noise, giving you a silent yet strong performance. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by premium leather, handcrafted wood trims, and ambient lighting that feels like a private jet. The 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Mark Levinson sound system make every drive a first-class experience. The rear seats, fully reclinable with massage functions, perfect for long-distance rides. The exterior design is bold, a massive spindle grille, 22-inch alloy wheels, and sharp LED headlights that give it royal road presence. Lexus also added a multi-terrain monitor and active height control suspension, making the LX 600 both intelligent and unstoppable. The 2025 LX 600 comes with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and even driver attention monitoring. Luxury, power, and comfort, all wrapped into one majestic machine. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Would you pick the LX 600 2025 as your next ride? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RideReign, where cars truly reign supreme.